Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to listen to music together on Spotify. First of all, you can open the Spotify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the song that you want to listen together to your friend. I can select this song. After selecting the song, you can now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply scroll down, and here you can see the one more option, that is listen to your friends. But this option is only show if you have a Spotify premium. If you don't have premium, you cannot listen music with your friends, and it is a way you can listen to music together on Spotify. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.